This is Balitang Ilocos Online.
Siyempre, first time ako to really experience this Palong Pambansa as a parent, no? So, very proud ako sa anak ko, si Polly, playing well for Calabarzon. And I'm very proud of the whole team. They're all playing well. Alam mo, it's a different generation. My time has passed. It's time to pass it on. Kakaibang mas bata. Ay, same naman eh. Play hard, have fun, enjoy, make friends, compete. Yun lang. Enjoy. Especially yung camaraderie. That's the best part about being with a team. Not necessarily, the wins are great, but the friendships last forever.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.